today I'm going to reveal some of my secrets and top tips to growing your own six-figure Etsy store later on in this video. So stick around to the end and you guys will know all of my 5 top secrets. So guys, in my last year on Etsy, I made $250,000 on Etsy in 1 calendar year, and that is correct. That is not made up. If you guys see my stats, as you can see them on the screen here, I made over $250,000 on my Etsy store in 1 calendar year alone. Here are some things that I've learned through my past year and a half on Etsy and what I can share to you guys on how to get many sales per day and eventually scale to the same level I have. And before we get into this video, I do want to say I have a Etsy Plus print-on-demand crash course that you guys can sign up for down below. I do sell also a lot of other courses over maybe other things that you may be struggling in as far as Etsy and print-on-demand goes. So it's worth your while to check those out. Like I said, down below, links are in the description. And before we go any further into the video, I wanted to introduce you to my new plant. This is my new plant. His name's Steve. Say hi to Steve in the comment section below. Besides that, guys, here we go with those secrets. So guys, besides that interruption of this program, we are going to get straight into it. So the first secret tip I have is to always try to hop on design trends. Try to make sure that you're looking at all the different designs that are coming out over time on Etsy. Some design trends that were many years ago are actually resurfacing now, and you'll see that through Etsy as well. For example, last year the leopard trend was very in, and using leopard types of patterns, fonts, and types of graphics really was in, and it still is very much in. So the leopard trend is something that resurfaced on Etsy, and I would highly suggest looking into doing leopard designs right now. There's so many other design trends that you can look into as far as that goes, and one of the best types of design research tools I use is Everbee. So again, I have a free trial link in description down below. I would highly suggest using that to research different design trends that are really trending right now and that you guys should maybe hop on to. The second secret I have is to always increase your listing volumes and products that you sell on your store. A lot of the times, the more listings and more products you have on your store increases your reach to potential Etsy customers, and that's very important as far as Etsy goes and getting that organic traffic and reach on Etsy. You want to increase your listings to over 300 listings, and that's the best strategy and advice I could give as far as that goes. The third secret to reveal is using social media. A lot of people start their Etsy and print-on-demand stores and they don't realize the power that social media can have on accelerating your store growth and accelerating sales to your store. And in return, Etsy will definitely give you more sales back by bringing outside traffic from other platforms into your store. This is one of the #1 best ways to get traffic to your store that leads to high conversion rates on Etsy. My next secret for you guys is to try to increase your conversion rates. This is something that a lot of us six-figure Etsy stores do. We have high conversion rates. Last year I had a 4% conversion rate on my Etsy store, and that's because I used a lot of different types of conversion rate boosting strategies, such as having high ratings and reviews on my Etsy store, or just using high quality mock-ups that when customers come to my store and they see my items, it makes them more willing to buy my items because of the quality of the pictures that present on every listing that I sell. Last but not least, the 5th secret revealed is to go into multiple passionate niches. And by passionate, that means things that people really love to do, what they relate to, and these type of niches can get you so so many sales, and you want to be in evergreen niches, you want to be in seasonal niches. There's so many niches out there that you can go into. And for those of you who may not know what a niche is basically a segmented part of the population and what people generally are very passionate about. It could be passions about golfing, maybe the outdoors, maybe being a mom. There's so many different niches out there that you can go into for your Etsy and print-on-demand store, and this is how you can essentially get a lot of traffic going to your Etsy store by having the right niches that will get you that organic traffic over time. With that being said, guys, I did want to mention I do have a niche playbook that I just released, and for this niche playbook you can learn about the 30+ evergreen niches I have been a part of and what I suggest to anyone who is creating an Etsy store. And on top of that, it's really helpful if you have an Etsy and print-on-demand store. Definitely check that out, link in the description below. And again, I have a free Etsy crash course that you guys can take as well for print-on-demand specifically and learn the basics and the foundations to start a Etsy and print-on-demand store. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and give my new plant friend Steve some support to grow. That's what this channel is about, is growing and growing your Etsy and print-on-demand stores. And I hope you guys have high success with your own Etsy and print-on-demand stores. And if you need any help, don't be scared to reach out, comment below, and I am always here to give some advice, tips, and tricks. I will see you all in my next video here. So guys, the second design trend, I had that wrong. So guys, the second design, my lighting is really taking me out today. Guys, this is my 5th secret revealed. And last but not least, the 5th secret revealed